Hello, everyone. We're here live at Money 2020 at Amsterdam. My name is Claudio Pungi. I'm Chief Product Strategy and Marketing Officer at Strengths. And today, together with me, we have our partner and client, Akbank.
Hi everyone, this is Burcu Küçükünal from Akbank. I'm responsible for digital banking, innovation, and open banking at Akbank. Happy to be part of this Money 2020 Europe this year.
So today, actually, the idea is to deep dive on a typically underserved segment, such as small, medium businesses, and how actually a leading bank, a leading European bank, such as Akbank, is trying to revolutionize the service model, bringing a new experience to serve small, medium business segments. And trying also to elaborate a bit more on how digital channels can be a core distinctive factors in bringing a competitive advantage on the market while considering real business needs of small businesses. I would start actually by understanding a bit more what's the Turkish context, understanding how small businesses are getting challenges on the macroeconomic context and how they approach also banking products. I would like to elaborate a bit on that.
Great, thank you for this opportunity again. Since Turkey has a growing economy, the SME segment are playing a very important role on its development. A significant contribution from the SMEs to employment, like over than 70% of the employment coming from the directly SMEs. And also the other very crucial context of Turkey's development is export. So we can say that nearly half of the export volume coming from SMEs again. So SMEs are a real catalyst for our growth in the economy. And when we talk about the role of the SMEs in our economy, also within our bank, the SME segment is one of our main focusing segments, of course, in terms of digitization. Most of the other countries, when you look at the consumers, we are more mature in terms of digitalization. And for SMEs, coming after that, very similar to real customer and etc. But we need to hear what SMEs are needing, and they need a change, especially in terms of digitization. So within the last 2 years, all customer processes, including the customer onboarding and KYC, we have all digitized with the regulations and everything. So we are currently focusing on SMEs needs. We have a digital transformation program, and not limited to only banking products. We would like to support our SME customers also beyond banking and with all the needs they have, because we need them to focus on their real business and keep the money management and financial advisory stuff with us.
Looks pretty interesting, actually, the fact that you are really trying, I understand, to support small businesses in doing what they were born for, business, while deleveraging, I understand them, the administration and banking through, I understand, also a digital platform, digital applications that can support them from their day-by-day finance. So is digital products and digital channels core to your relationship with small business customers?
Yes, definitely. We may say that out of total 3.5 million SMEs in Turkey, we have over 1.4 million SME customers within our bank. And this is kind of increasing day by day, hopefully, to go like this. And we believe this reflects the trust and confidence that our customers keep us this transformative, let's say. So within Akbank, both in the web platform and also within the mobile, our customers have different 100% specific to SME needs, and they can switch their personal account to SME accounts also within the same platform. And within our digital SME program, we have a list of different initiatives One of them earlier I have mentioned the onboarding part, because before that the customers need to go to the branches to have an account or to open an account within Akbank. Now they can find all of the necessary needs within our platform, single platform. And one of the core function of this digital asset is a business financial management platform. We have financial calendar, financial insights. So if they have like a payment needed in the calendar, we can directly push notifications, send push notifications to them. So what we do is creating a digital platform with all banking and beyond banking products for all different SME segments. And beforehand, we have micro segmentation for our SMEs. If they're exporting, we have a different dashboard for them. It's a modular platform. And we are really having good feedbacks around this right now.
I understand that the BFM is somehow at the core of your digital platform for small business clients. Do you feel also that the cash flow analytics part is a core differentiator of your proposition? I understand also that the financial calendar, keeping ahead on payment deadlines through financial calendar, it's something pretty important. Are small business customer also interacting with these kind of features? You feel there is a traction on that?
Definitely. First of all, by initiating this digitalization program, we also try to have financial products and services with a seamless process and a very simple interfaces within the core of the system. And by BFM, our motto with our customers is let's grow together. So our aim to leverage the insights and, as you mentioned earlier, business financial management toolkits for their growth. So they have insights and they have some call to action reflections within the program also. To address the operational and, let's say, financial management needs, we created this for your business menu. And within that menu, you can all find like insights, as I mentioned earlier, the calendar and everything in one page.
Looks great. And how is trends? How are we actually helping you in understanding also everything you explained? What is the value actually that a fintech like us is bringing to your bank?
When we took off the transformation program, I thought it was a project, but it's not. It's like a journey. It's going on, and we start to have a strategy where we can put in the core of the platform the for your business as called so BFM solution. And when we talk about our technology department, they say we can develop it in-house, but it will take years. And then we start collaborating. We start to look some fintechs, technology provider to help us support our clients in terms of our needs. And then we reach by searching for the best platform, we reach strengths, and we start working together with strengths on our BFM solution. And we provide dashboards, and we customize in very quick. It was only weeks. We provide dashboards for, as I mentioned earlier, financial calendars and analysis, cash flow, balance information, and everything they need for money management and financial management services, let's say. And a very detailed list of like scheduled transactions in the system. This toolkit makes difference in our value proposition. Because, the banks and the financial technology payments providers companies in Turkey are very aggressive and very competitive in terms of SME segment. So we need differentiators in terms of value creation. So this is the PFM module, definitely. And the interaction of the customer from first day, they're excited, they give feedbacks, and we're not very really get used to have positive feedbacks related to content, services and products. So it was great.
I understand your proposition is very wide, very comprehensive, and oriented in supporting small business customer. But if you should wrap up in a nutshell, what makes your proposition different from your competitor and makes it unique to be adopted by small business customers?
When I think of the uniqueness of our proposition, the first thing I could say is the AI-powered system throughout the customer's financial journey. I mean, when we put the BFM solution in the center of our application, we fed all the transactional and historical data, enriched the data, and fed the data over there, and then took out some personalized and proactive, let's say, insights around it. So, and these insights are connected with the financial and non-financial needs and services. So, for example, if you have a payment in 2 or 3 days and you need cash, then we offer our lending offer. We give lending offer for you to for that need. And this is kind of a real-time, with the real-time data, transaction data. So I can say that we use this AI-based platform and personalization in terms of differentiating our products. And then we enrich that offers with beyond banking. Like if you need some tax consultancy or some e-commerce platform membership and some stuff, we have that offers also within the same platform. And so that's working for financial needs and beyond financial needs.
So I understand that personalization, real-time insights is supporting you not only in creating a better tailored relationship with all your customers, trying to tighten a bit the schema, but is also supporting you in cross-selling better when actually the small business is supposedly asking for something.
Definitely.
So, trying to summarize in a nutshell, what are actually the advantages of having a proposition where the BFM is as its core, and what kind of metrics have you seen improving from your side after the introduction of this new application?
With this new application in our system, we define our key performance metrics as cross-sell ratio per customer, number of logins per customer in amount, and also the retention and stickiness, loyalty of the customer. So I cannot disclose all figures because I don't have the permission, but we can say that when we have the system and the insights, a natural part of the customer journey, we see the best results. And clients start to engage more. Like, as I mentioned earlier, the number of login goes up to 30. It was like, not maybe 20, because to seeing some interesting insights and not missing anything in the financial calendar, they engage more. And the cross-sell, we can say, a digital customer using actively the engager and the strength solution also, like doubled in the product ratio, and it reflects to revenues, of course.
This is really great, and I really understand that our technology, fintech technology, is really supporting you in reaching your business goals, which are, of course, fundamental, while also deleveraging you from having built internally, again, a new applications that was already available thanks to us, and is really helping you in reaching, I understand, your business goals, but also challenging a tough context like the Turkish one, you've been explaining us at the beginning of this interview. So I believe actually it was very interesting talking to you as our partner and flagship clients. Really appreciated you being here. It's gonna be a pleasure. Thanks everyone. We'll see you soon.
Thank you.